is going to be upside down. Puppy's drinking. They're so sweet. So sweet. Oh, precious girl, what are you doing? They're definitely not hungry babies. Well, they're drinking, but they're really nicely filled out. She's fed them up really, really well. And this one's just flaked out over here over Mom's arm. And Mom's pretty relaxed, eh, baby girl? Yeah, you don't mind me checking out your babies, eh? You're such a lovely girl. Oh, I just can't get over this gorgeous chocolate baby. So excited. Indy, can I have that one, baby girl? This chocolate one. It's gonna be a coonhound sized chocolate tipped puppy. Wow, wow, wow. What do you have to say for yourself? You'd like a nap? Maybe a little snack. Hey, sweetie.